Hello, I'm Dennis with Wilding Wall Beds. Today we're going to show you the process through a video of putting one of our spring lift beds together. We appreciate your business and we hope this video helps, so we'll go ahead and get started. The tools that you're going to need for this process are a power screwdriver with a Phillips bit, a tape measure, a stud finder, and then a Phillips screwdriver. And I always actually like to have two of these so my assistant can have one too, but at least one Phillips screwdriver. And then I always recommend, if you have access to a 13 millimeter socket, an 11 millimeter socket, and an 8. Now the hardware pack comes with all the open end wrenches that you're going to need. This will just make the process a lot easier. You'll also need a 6-foot ladder for this job. All right, we've got everything unpackaged here, and as we were unpackaging, we found the install packet. Now the install packet will have an installation instructions that are the written instructions for this video, and we recommend that you follow along. Also within the packet, you'll find the hardware you need, the handles, the screws and such. There's also a color sample that you can hold on to. This is just to use as reference for future matches if you need. And then there's also a small touch-up kit in here. So we'll go ahead and get started.